Hey, Selena So Quackenbush here. This is journal number 5 for EDOL 721. So, 2020 has been a difficult year for everyone. According to an article in the New York Post, there were fires everywhere. California and Australia, a pandemic, the shooting of George Floyd, the death of Kobe Bryant in a helicopter crash, the death of Chadwick Boseman from cancer, and the death of Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg. There was the attempted impeachment of Donald Trump, the surprising win of soon-to-be-confirmed President-elect Joe Biden, and the first ever Black Asian woman as soon-to-be-confirmed Vice President. There's been extreme loss, extreme unification in certain beliefs, and highly disparate points of view. With all that being said, here's what I learned. As a leader, it's important to figure out if you want to lead or if you want to inspire. According to Simon Sinek's TED Talk, quote, leaders hold a position of power or authority. Those who lead inspire us. We follow them because we want to, for ourselves, unquote. We follow them because their beliefs follow along the same lines of what we believe. 2020 has been the most emotionally tumultuous year I have ever experienced in my life. There have been moments this year where I have truly believed that I should just give up on everything, move to a foreign country and begin again with a new identity. There have also been times where I thought I should just give up on everything. I've never ever been one to reach out and ask for help or support. I've never been one to accept anything from anyone because I do not want to feel obligated. One of the things I dislike the most in life is feeling obligated. Yet most of the choices I made this year were because I felt obligated to make them, and they turned out to be not so good for me and what I wanted out of my life. They were not choices I made with the end goal of improving my leadership skills. One choice I did make that turned out to be helpful was to acquire a life coach. I've been participating in traditional therapy for about a year, and for some reason this year I just realized that although the past has shaped the person I am today, it does not define the person I am now. I can choose to continue to dwell on the past and not learn anything from it, or I can choose to take the past as having occurred, learn the lessons that are needed, and take the necessary steps to move on. It's been an up and down battle. I began life coaching, and at first I was feeling like I had signed up for traditional therapy again. However, my coach stated that I should, quote, trust the process, unquote. That sounded eerily familiar. So I have learned that I want to inspire. Yes, I want to lead, but I want people to follow me not because they have to, but because they want to. They want to follow me because we believe in what we're doing and that we really have come to trust the process. Thanks for watching. Here's my references. Oops. There you go.